Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me today. This is Lee with Lee's Trees. I wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you to all my subscribers. We just reached over 100 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Most especially to everyone that started out with me, and of course to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel, and I hope you can continue to watch and support me. Thank you so much. And now we will get to today's tree, and I'm just going to reset the camera. So in today's video, we're working on the Wayward sisters. It's 3 Portulacaria afra in a little pot here, and this is our front. Going to the right side, to the back, to the left side, and back to the front. And I've had them indoors all winter under the grow lights, and the grow lights are down to here, and this part is actually sticking up above the grow lights. They've been in need of a prune for a little bit now. So let's get started. We'll, of course, start with our front tree here and see what we have. So this front branch is a little bit of an eye poker. I guess we can go ahead and take it off. I won't be needing that little piece down there on that one. So that creates a little bit of a handlebar branch situation here. And this branch going into the back into that other tree doesn't help. So we'll take that off. We'll take this one off to continue to stagger our branches. So that means this other one should come off. But it's actually more in the back, so I'm going to leave that one. This one's more in the front. It's actually starting to grow around to the back. So let me just trim it short. We'll bring this one to a couple of leaves. Bring this down to a couple of leaves. Just trim them all back to a few leaves. I need to pick one of those as a leader. So we'll bring that one to back up front. That one's on the inside. Let's see, where is that one? That one's coming from the side. And this one in the back. We'll trim to a few leaves. And this one. So we'll go to this tree here. Do I want to? Yeah, I'll take off the back part and leave the front to grow. We've got some stuff on the inside here. So bring this in a little closer for you. So actually, there's a small piece going down and a larger piece going up. So I'm going to take off the larger piece. And then there's also a piece way inside here. Actually, that's coming from a different branch. Okay. It's a little... Alright, that's... I'm going to take this one back to a couple of leaves. Let's see. There. I think I'll leave. Actually, we'll take that one and get that to grow out that way. And keep that as my main leader. Take that one off that's competing with it. Come around to the back. Take it back to a few leaves. Take it back to a few leaves. And here we've got two coming from the same place there. And now for this one, looking at it from the front. So I've got a branch that's sort of coming inside. that part's going to come out, so we'll take that off. There's some pieces down here we don't need. So there's some new growth little stub there we'll take off. And one inside. Take that piece off. That opens up those branches. Again, I've got a little bit of a handlebar branch situation there. Actually, that one on the inside. I've got this branch that's crossing over everything. But I think at one time that was going to be my main leader. However, if I want this to be shorter than my front tree, I should actually take it back to there. And that will allow that to become my main leader. Take that to back to a few leaves. Take that to a couple of leaves. Take this one pretty much all the way off. So which of those two? I think, let's see. Yeah, this one's pretty much going straight up. So that'll get me some branches coming out that way. And this will be my main leader. And next time we prune, actually if we prune it here, I should get a sprout that comes up here and goes back that way. Okay, there you have it. Just a quick prune of our Wayward sisters, the 3 Portulacaria afra. Put it back here so you can get a look at the whole thing. Oh, got a dead leaf on the inside there. So here's our front, to the right side, to the back, and back to the left side, and back to the front. All right. Thank you for watching. Again, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And to everyone that has already subscribed, thank you so much. We just reached over 100 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you. Hope you all have a wonderful day.